Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and simple guide on how to share your WhatsApp QR code. This feature is perfect for adding contacts effortlessly by letting others scan your code instead of manually entering details. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your smartphone. Once you're on the main screen, look towards the top right corner. You'll see 3 dots. This is the menu button. Tap on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Settings. Now that you're in the Settings menu, take a look at the top of the screen. Right next to your name and profile picture, you'll notice a small QR code icon. Go ahead and tap on it. This will open up a page displaying your unique WhatsApp QR code. To share your QR code with someone, locate the share icon at the top of this page. It looks like an arrow pointing outward. Tap on it, and a list of sharing options will appear. You can choose to send your QR code via messaging apps, email, or even save it to your device for later use. Once you've selected your preferred sharing method, simply follow the prompts to send it to the desired contact or platform, and that's it. Your QR code is now shared, making it easier than ever for others to connect with you on WhatsApp. A quick tip: only share your QR code with trusted individuals. If you ever feel like your QR code has been shared with someone you don't trust, don't worry. You can reset it anytime directly from this same screen. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to share your WhatsApp QR code quickly and securely. Stay connected and enjoy seamless communication.